Hey, how's it going, my friend? Eric Ellis Jr. here with EricEllisJr.com, and in this video I'm going to share with you the 3 top money-making apps for 2018 and how you can start making cash as soon as today, right after watching this freaking video. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so let's get right to the content. Now, app number 1 is called iPoll, and it's very simple concept. What they allow you to do is literally 15 to 20 minute surveys. They respect your opinion. The reason why is because these different companies who are looking to see if their product is good or to get reviews or anything of that nature submit their products, and they pay to get them on iPoll, so that way their users can actually take these surveys to review their products and their services. And when you actually review their products and services, you achieve points every time you do so. Now, when you achieve these points, you simply can go ahead and actually redeem these points to actually cash out on different rewards. Now, the best way to explain this is, prime example, if you go to the arcade, right, and you go ahead and start playing games, right? It's kind of like this, surveys, games. You start playing games and you start redeeming tickets, or not redeeming, but getting tickets for every game you play. You're gonna start accumulating a lot of tickets. Now, the most favorite part, the reason why people actually play those games is not to actually play the games, but that fulfilling moment when they go to the actual redemption and they actually redeem those tickets to get their rewards. So it's the same fulfilling thing, right? Now, here's the thing, make it a full-time income, I definitely wouldn't recommend this. However, if you do have a little extra spare time and you say, let me go ahead and kill some time, let's say you're waiting at a bus stop or you're just chilling and you're bored as hell, right? This is definitely for you. Go ahead and spend that extra time instead of being on your social media, start redeeming points, and then from time to time you can go ahead and cash out on those rewards. It's pretty fulfilling, right? So that app is called, as stated before, iPoll, right? App number 2, and this is one of the most famous apps out there for making free money, right? This free money making app for 2018 is called Swagbucks, right? Now, with Swagbucks, to this date, they have paid out over $97,751,668 in rewards. So when you ask the question, does this really work, Eric? Yes, this really works. Now, obviously, there's been a lot of people who have been taking part on these surveys and actually redeeming the points that they've been earning with Swagbucks, and I would highly recommend taking part. Again, if you guys have extra time, why not spend the extra time earning money? Me personally, I love to give my opinion all the time. People always reach out to me and say, what do you think about this? What do you think about that? And I'll gladly give my opinion because I just like portraying my thoughts. Instead of keeping them in my head, I like to portray my thoughts. So why not get paid to do it? Swagbucks, you will love it. You can literally get free PayPal money with Swagbucks, right? And what they'll do is they'll give you gift cards, they'll give you PayPal redemption, and it all depends on what you want to redeem, which is pretty exciting, right? Your extra time, you make money actually doing it, killing time. And last but not least, this one isn't a survey, right? It's called Book Scouter. And with Book Scouter, what you can do, me personally, this is great for me, right? Because what I used to do, just to tell you what it does first and foremost, is it allows you to sell your old books to get paid doing so, right? They give you money for your old books. Now here's the thing, instead of letting your old books stack up, right, why not sell them and get paid to do so? Me personally, I read a book for a week. Why? Because I'm in digital entrepreneurship and I'm constantly growing my mind, and instead of just building a stack of books for the books that I've read and then I know for sure I'm not going to reread, right? I took what I got from them, I'm going to read them, whatever, right? You can simply go ahead and leverage this app, Book Scouter, and you can sell your old books and redeem for an income, right? Sell your old books, get paid, right? So those are the 3 apps that I would highly recommend. Number 1 is iPoll, take surveys. Number 2 is Swagbucks, take surveys. Number 3 is Book Scouter. If you have books, this doesn't pertain to you if you don't have books, but if you do have books, go and redeem your books or your old books. Find books that you have in the bookshelf that you're not using, sell them for cash. If you need quick cash, sell your books, get quick freaking cash. And last but not least is what I currently use. This is a bonus. It's called affiliate marketing. What I do with affiliate marketing is simply I create videos like this, and I use my Instagram, and I use my YouTube, and I use my Facebook to where I build an audience simply by providing value to people. And with affiliate marketing, you're literally able to build an audience and for free, right? Free money, build an audience, and within that specific niche for the audience that you've been building, you can simply refer products, and the products that you refer, you're gonna go ahead and get paid commissions doing so. Not only will you get access to an ebook, but you'll get access to a company that I currently use to make thousands of dollars per week, right? To where I'm currently in Bali. You can't see right now, but I'm currently in Bali, Indonesia. I've been traveling for the last 12 months full time. It's incredible experiences that you're able to do, and it's simply because I leverage affiliate marketing. So go to affiliatesplaybook.com or go to the link in the description, and it'll literally teach you, right? The book will teach you guys everything you need to know about affiliate marketing, and you'll get access to the same system that I'm using, that I do generate free money on the day-to-day basis, on the week-to-week basis, simply by promoting different offers to my YouTube, my Instagram, and my Facebook. It doesn't get more simple than that. So those three are the free options. Fourth bonus option, leverage affiliate marketing. That's what I've leveraged to actually live a life of time, location, and financial freedom. And as far as affiliate marketing, I have a whole bunch of goodies down below in the description that I use to actually grow my affiliate marketing business if you don't know where to begin. Now, with that being said, my friend, I appreciate you. Thank you so much for actually watching this video. Hopefully this helps you earn an extra buck. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to join the family, and so that way you can get access to my daily uploads, and hit that notification bell because I do upload every single day. You want to make sure you're the first ones to get access to those videos. Last but not least, my friend, I appreciate you so much. Eric Ellis Jr. checking out.